Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Coinstats to Cash App in 2025 using the updated method. Step 1. Open your Coinstats app and go to the Portfolio tab. Step 2. Select the crypto asset that you want to send, such as Bitcoin, USDC or USDC, etc. Step 3. Tap Send or Withdraw and enter the amount that you want to withdraw or send. Step 4. Open your Cash app and tap on Bitcoin and then deposit Bitcoin or use the equivalent crypto wallet option. Step 5. Copy your Cash app wallet address and paste it into the recipient address field on Coinstats. Step 6. Confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain confirmation. Step 7. Once completed, your funds will now show in your Cash App balance under Bitcoin. Make sure to double check network compatibility and fees before confirming the transaction. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.